Ravi
Hello,
Te
sir.
Hello, Ravi Teja, are you ready?
Yes, sir, I am ready.
Yeah, karnatakabank.com. Correct? You are going for
Yes,
Karnataka
sir.
Bank. Good.
Yes, sir.
Your interview is going to be on 2nd or 3rd?
3rd May, sir. Day after
3rd,
tomorrow.
3rd May. Very good. Can you please tell us about yourself?
Hello, sir. I
Yes.
am Ravi Tejas here. My native is Bengaluru rural. I have completed my undergraduate from Dharwad Agriculture University. I have completed my bachelor's in agriculture from Dharwad Agriculture University, and later on I pursued master's in agriculture from Agriculture University, Bengaluru, sir.
So, what did you study in your post-graduation?
My specialization was plant biotechnology, sir. I worked on disease-resistant development in papaya for the disease papaya ring spot virus.
So, yours was study of bio.
Biotechnology, sir. Biotechnology, yeah, considering plant, specifically for plants, sir.
Okay, good. Now, what are your views regarding, say, some new concept that has come, in brinjal and other things, some new seeds are brought through which, what is that called? What is that technology called?
Genetically modified
Correct,
organisms.
exactly. I'm not getting that word. Genetically modified technology. So, what is the recent advancement in this regard in our country,
Sir,
more especially in Karnataka?
sir, in our country, genetically modified crops, they have developed many crops, sir. But commercially available crops, it is restricted only to cotton. BT cotton is the only commercially available crop for farmers. Why? Because it is a non-food crop, sir. It is a commercial crop.
So what
For
about that?
food crops,
What about that BT brinjal?
BT brinjal, it is a food crop, sir. It is they have developed the varieties, but it is not available commercially for the farmers because of some restrictions. They have kept it under hold, sir, because it is a food crop.
Is it being practiced or grown in some other countries?
Yes, sir. Most of the developed countries have genetically modified food crops also. For example, USA has genetically modified corn and genetically modified soybean. Even in China, we can see genetically modified soybean and genetically modified crops. But only in India, we have restrictions for food crops. But commercial crops, cotton, we have cotton is from past 2 decades, we have genetically modified cotton. Recently, from past 2 years, they have introduced genetically modified rubber also.
Acha. In India also
Because
it is there. In India it is
yes,
there.
sir, in India's case only, sir, I'm telling. And they have introduced rubber, genetic modified rubber. Those two are commercial crops, sir. So there will be no issues regarding food and all. So they have introduced in those two.
Yeah. I think it is BT brinjal is being grown more in Bangladesh and other places.
Yes, sir. Bangladesh, they have introduced BT brinjal very long back itself. It's been in practice there, sir.
Yeah.
They have approved the grow.
So why our government is not in favor of this?
Sir, there are many issues, sir. In research-wise, we have many many crops developed under biotechnology, genetically modification, sir. But the concern of the government is that if it has a bad effects on the health of the people. So they have some regulations. They are getting some regulations for the technology used. Nowadays, we have new technology called CRISPR-Cas. So government last year they approved the introduction of varieties through CRISPR-Cas mediated technology,
Mm.
but still there are some concerns over that technology also.
Yeah, you can use the word. It is objection is from the angle of human safety and
Yes, sir.
environmental impacts to ethical
Environment. Yes, sir. Ethical concern is the point I missed. I should
Very,
have used.
very good. Excellent. Thank you. Now, you have applied for probationary officer's job.
Yes, sir.
When did you complete your MSc?
I completed my MSc in the year 2021, sir. 2021 December.
Have you applied for any other bank agricultural finance officer post or agriculture insurance corp? Why did you not apply for this agriculture insurance? There recently they conducted a recruitment of 60 people, management trainees.
Yes,
Did
sir.
you apply for that?
I applied for that, sir, but I could not clear the exam.
It is okay, fine. It's okay, fine. So now, have you appeared for any other AFO examinations?
AFO I had appeared, sir. I had also appeared for VPS PO exams, but I could not get through the final list, sir. I had been till the interview.
Really, AFO interview, you went till the interview, but you could not get selected.
Not AFO, sir. RRB PO, I went
You
till the
appeared.
interview.
Acha.
Appeared till the interview. AFO, I appeared till main, sir. I could not clear the main.
In RRB PO, how many marks did you score in the interview?
Interview, I scored around 72, sir, out of 100.
Not bad. Not bad. It's a good mark only. Good. Now, you are a boy from Bengaluru. Will you be asking for posting inside Bengaluru, or are you willing to be posted anywhere in Karnataka?
I am very much ready to get posted anywhere, sir. Anywhere in India also.
What is the choice you
But,
are giving in the biodata form?
sir, biodata form, I have mentioned as anywhere around India. I have
Acha.
mentioned like that.
Super, super. That is good. That's really good. That will get you more marks. Very nice. Very happy. Yeah. What is your father? Ravi Teja.
Sir, my father is an employee from an organization called Kenna Metal India. But ours is majorly agriculture family, sir. He also looks over the farming of our families.
What are the crops grown in your family?
Sir, we take up majorly our staple food, ragi, finger millet, and then pulses, sir. Pulses, our staple pulse is known by the name Dolichos bean. It's very much native to our land. And in case of irrigated cultivation, we go for paddy, sir.
Good. Very good. Is your father covered under Pradhan Mantri Samman Nidhi scheme?
No, sir. As my father is an employee, he is not covered under PM Kisan, sir, because PM Kisan is only for
100%
marginal
farmers.
farm under person farmers, sir. Because my father is earning income, he is not eligible for the scheme, sir.
Excellent. That's right. No problem. How many siblings Ravi has?
I am a single child, sir.
Single child. Oh, very bad. Very bad. Ravi Teja. Ravi, you like mummy or daddy?
Sir, I like both of them, sir.
Which one? Whom do you like very, very much?
No, sir. I like them equally, like both of my eyes, sir. I can't choose between my eyes. Similarly, I can't choose between my parents, sir. Both are equal to me, equally dear to me.
Good. What are the good qualities you would like to learn from both mother and father?
Sir, coming to my father, he is the one who inspired me to take up agriculture as a professional degree, sir. Even though he is an employee in an organization, he is not just restricted himself to an organization. He is also carrying up the farming activities. He is an inspiration to me to take up agriculture as a degree, sir. So coming to
Excellent.
my mother, she is the homemaker, sir. So when my father is taking up all the financial and outdoor activities, my mother is the one who take care of the family, and she is the one who raised me, sir. She took care of me, took care of my health. So
Excellent.
she is the one center of the family, sir. She has held up the family. That
Good.
quality I would like to learn from my mother, sir, to take care of the family.
Very good. Excellent. What is your view regarding joint family system?
Sir, I am very much in favor of joint family system because we also, I also grew up in a joint family, sir. We when I grew up, it was joint family. Later on, when we became older, it was nuclear family. When I grew up, it was around 8 to 10 members in a single house, sir. We
Oh,
had
great.
our grandparents, my uncles and aunts were all together. So in a
Very
joint
good.
family, we will have the opportunity to learn from our elders, to learn the values. We will be having an opportunity to be grown up in a disciplined manner, sir, that
How,
we can't see in a nuclear family.
how
But
many,
sadly,
how,
nowadays we are not finding
uh,
many joint families, sir.
yeah, how many uncles you have?
I have three uncles, sir. My father is the eldest
Mhm.
child of our family.
Mhm. Good. Why do you want to come to banking?
Sir, I chose banking as a career option because of two reasons, sir. First and foremost reason is the bright career opportunity and handsome salary it provides to an officer. Second reason is that banking is very much related to our agriculture profession, sir, because agriculture activities cannot be taken up without any financial assistance. So, as our country is a majorly agricultural country, most of the population is still dependent on agriculture. Banking sector has its large customer base from the agriculture farmers itself. So, my degree, my learning, my educational background will also support in this regard, sir. By entering into banking field, I can serve the farming community. As this is a service sector, I can be in service of the farmer, sir. This is the second reason I chose for being in a banking sector.
Okay. What do you know about Kisan credit card?
So, Kisan credit card is a scheme brought up by the central government way back in 1998, sir. It helps the farmers to take loans from the banks. It is like the credit card system as we normal customers use in our commercial banks. So once a farmer is registered under Kisan credit card, every year or every season he need not to get his details entered again, sir. Once he has his Kisan credit card, his details are there permanently with the organization, so he can avail loans in a quick manner, sir,
On a rotation basis.
on a rotation
On
basis.
it will be
And
it will be reinstated. The limit will be reinstated.
yes, sir. And
Good. What
the
is
rate
the
of interest is also very much low for the crops because agriculture is very unpredictable occupation, sir. So government has set some rate of interest very much.
what is the effective
In terms
rate of interest in the case of Kisan credit card where a Kisan repays within 1 year?
Sir, effective interest rate is
4%.
4%. Sorry, sir, I forgot
Yeah,
to look.
because it's, they're totally 9%, it seems, out of which 2% interest subvention by the state government. I think starting rate of interest is 7%. And out of this, if the repayment is done properly within 1 year, the bank will credit the central government subvention of 3%. So that
Yes, sir.
means effective rate of interest is 4%.
4%.
Very good. Up to what extent credit Kisan credit card is given without any security?
Up to 3 lakhs, I guess.
No, 1.6 lakhs.
1.6 lakhs.
1.6 lakhs. Up to 1.6, it is without guarantee and anything. Whereas when it is going to be up to 3 lakhs, they will take a guarantor and also the security of the crops grown, hypothecation of the crops grown,
Okay, sir.
the mortgage of the land and also the crops grown.
Yes, sir.
Good. What do you know about primary agricultural credit societies? Are there any such societies in Bengaluru, in your village?
Sir, we have one primary agriculture credit society in our village itself, sir. It's known as Krushi Sapattina Sahakara Sangha in Kannada.
Mm.
Sir, these are the societies which tend to look through the short-term needs, loan needs of the farmers, sir.
Do they give
This will be
gold loan also?
no, sir.
No
They
idea.
don't give gold loan.
No, acha. Now tell me, what do you know about Karnataka Bank? Tell me only
Sir,
good points you remember about Karnataka Bank. Achievements, awards, then performance, then like that. Important points. Don't tell
Yes, sir.
history.
Yes, sir. Got it. Sir, Karnataka Bank has a very good history of digital banking and internet banking services, sir. Way back in 2000 itself, they had implemented the core banking solution. They were among the first private banks to do so. And from last year, they have been awarded the UPI digital best bank for UPI digital payments award, sir. In 2022, they received the award. I think.
No, but you must also tell about the deposit figure of Karnataka Bank, number of branches, because the question was
Ah,
open question. Question was
okay, sir. Okay.
tell me what do you know about Karnataka Bank. You must speak sometime, say at least 1 minute more.
Okay, sir. Coming to speaking of its branches, they have around 900 branches all over 22 states and 2 union territories. And the customer base is around 10.2 million. And the shareholders size is around 1,46,000, sir. Last year they reached the turnover of around 1,48,000 crores, and this financial year they have kept a target of achieving 1,75,000 crores margin, sir.
No, 1.75 lakh.
Sorry, 1.75 lakhs crore margin.
Good. That is right. Good. Very good. So, what do you think are the qualities in Ravi Teja? Those are more suitable for being selected as probationary officer in Karnataka Bank. I want you to talk in Kannada.
Kannada, sir.
Mm.
Okay.
Don't worry about my not following. I can
Okay,
understand.
sir. Okay.
Yeah.
Yes. ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇರುವ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗಳು, ನಾನು ಒಬ್ಬ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ನನ್ನನ್ನು ನಾನು ಸೆಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಕಾರಣಗಳು ಕೊಡುವುದೇನೆಂದರೆ, ನಾನು ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇನ್ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿರುವುದರಿಂದ ನನಗೆ ಕೃಷಿಯಲ್ಲಿನ ಜ್ಞಾನಗಳು ಇದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಒಬ್ಬ ಪ್ರೊಬೇಷನರಿ ಆಫೀಸರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದ ತಾಳ್ಮೆ ಅಥವಾ ಸಹನೆ ಮತ್ತು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಗ್ರೀವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ಅದನ್ನು ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ಅವರ ಕಾರ್ಯವನ್ನು ಈಡೇರಿಸುವ ಗುಣ ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಎಂದು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಹುದ್ದೆಗೆ ನಾನು ಸರಿ ಹೊಂದುತ್ತೇನೆ ಎಂದು ನಾನು ನನ್ನನ್ನು ಭಾವಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳುತ್ತೇನೆ.
Good. Very good. So, can you please tell me about 2 deposit products of Karnataka Bank?
Sir, Karnataka Bank savings scheme, one they are, sir, and instant SB KB instant KBL SB scheme.
No, when you
Yes.
tell the name only, if they ask different names, you can tell that. Where the question is, tell me about 2 schemes, means you have to talk in detail about it.
Okay, sir. I need to explain those.
Yeah, you need to explain about it. So go to the website and get to know 2 deposit schemes. Say,
sir.
and more especially fixed deposit, recurring deposit, differences and all, study different thoroughly. Then 2
Okay, sir.
loan products like housing loan, then
sir.
gold loan, then personal
sir.
loan. You study them deeply and know
Yes, sir.
about it so that you can answer them well. Now,
Yes, sir.
tell me about the elections to take place in Karnataka.
Yes, sir.
Who is contesting from your seat, MLA?
Sir, from our constituency, the MLA candidate is from BJP. It is Somsekhar T. Sir. He is the current MLA. There are also competition from local party JDS and also national party Congress also, sir. The general elections is scheduled on 10th May, and the results will be declared on 13th May, sir. We have around 252 constituencies in Karnataka. Currently the ruling party is BJP, sir. And
regarding Karnataka Assembly seats, how many seats?
252.
Are you sure?
I gave a guess, sir.
225 seats.
225.
Karnataka Legislative Assembly has 225 seats. At present, 33 constituencies are reserved for the candidates belonging to the scheduled caste, and 14 are reserved for the candidates belonging to scheduled tribes. 1 seat is nominated for Anglo-Indian member. Okay.
Yes, sir.
How many constituencies? What did I say? 220. Actually, 225 seats. Constituency, which means only 224.
Yes,
because
sir.
1 seat, Anglo-Indian seat, is nomination seat.
Nominated by the President of India.
Yeah. Do you have a upper house in Karnataka?
Yes, sir. We have upper house.
Legislative council. Do you have?
Legislative council. Yes, sir. MLCs. We have MLCs also.
Achha. How many seats are there?
I don't know, sir. I should look through.
Karnataka Legislative Council. Karnataka Legislative Council is the upper house of the bicameral legislature of Southern Indian
Yes, sir.
state. The Karnataka Legislative Council is a permanent body comprising of 75 members.
Okay, sir.
Chairperson is Basavaraj Horati.
Yes, sir.
Basavaraj Horati. Deputy chairperson is M.K. Pranesh. Then leader of the house is Kota Srinivas Pujari, BJP. Then deputy leader of the house is T.B. Nagaraj, BJP. Leader of opposition is B.K. Hari Prasad, Indian National Congress. The secretary of Legislative Council is K.R. Mahalakshmi from 1st October 2017. Yeah, doesn't matter. But they can ask you this because now elections are due.
Yes, sir.
So you must know about Karnataka Legislative Assembly, Karnataka Legislative Council. Then you must know about your MLA, your MP. Then you must also know about famous ministers in your state cabinet, governor, and all these things you must know
Yes.
thoroughly.
So actually, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is constituted is from Bangalore itself, sir.
Yeah. I think she's,
Yes, sir.
yeah, but she is in Rajya Sabha.
Rajya Sabha, sir. Yes.
That is not, there is no connection between legislative council and that.
Yes, sir.
Legislative council is told as Suvarna Vidhana Sauda
Suvarna Vidhan
Belagavi.
Sauda. Yes, sir.
Oh,
Belagavi.
it is in Belagavi.
Yes, sir. We have Vidhan Sauda in Bangalore, sir. Past 15 years ago, they built another similar structure, sir.
And
On the occasion of 50th year of Karnataka unification. That's why it's called Suvarna Vidhana Sauda.
not only that, it
Golden,
is
golden jubilee of the
it's a
state unit.
it is a winter season. I think it will be used.
Winter session will be taken place there, sir. Will be taking place there.
Very good, excellent. Best wishes. Do you have any questions?
Sir, regarding HR questions, how should I tackle, sir? If they
See, the questions are, I have already given you most common interview questions.
yes,
What
sir,
are
the PDF.
what are your strengths? What are your weaknesses? Why should we select you? What makes you think you are suitable for this post? Why you want to join banking? Why you want to join Karnataka Bank? Will you
Yes,
go
sir.
out of Karnataka Bank if you are selected in nationalized banks? And
Yes, sir.
then who is your very close friend? Who is your close enemy? And what makes you as a consider as a leader? Then how will you
Yes,
get work done by your subordinates? All these are
yes, sir.
general questions which you must answer
Yes, sir.
confidently.
Yes, sir.
Any other doubts?
No, sir. As of now, no, sir. If I have any doubts, I will contact you through WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.